What is going on, guys? It is a fine, super fine day here in Southwest PA. I have no idea if this is recording, so I'm just going to ride around. I'm going to work, so it's nothing nothing special or whatever, but I figure I would take you with me. It is such a beautiful freaking morning, dude. It's like 48. I think it's going to be like 59 degrees today. Today is December 28th. So I will take that. It smells like fishing. That seems a little far out, don't it? It smells like fishing, if you know what I'm talking about. Just like that very early spring. The seasons are changing, even though they're not. But that's kind of what it feels like right now. Yes, it does. Okay, see, they're not out. Maybe it was just like the wind or something. But yeah, it's supposed to be pretty nice. But yeah, again, like, I have no idea if this is recording or not. I'm running into issues. Well, you guys already know I've been having issues with my GoPro, which I got another GoPro for Christmas, and I'm going to do a video on it and why you should absolutely not buy the GoPro 4K if you are... That looks really nice. I kind of want to go down there, but I know it doesn't really lead to anything. But yeah, I'm going to make a video on why you should not buy the new GoPro 4K if you are doing motovlogs, because it sucks. It's horrible. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Ugh. Oh well. First world problems. But I'm the late guy at work today, and I've been kind of sick. Like, not sick, but like sore throat, and had a headache today or this morning and all that, so I couldn't really sleep, and I got some that seems awfully out too, and I have time to kill before I get to work, so I figured we could just enjoy this morning together. Maybe drink some coffee and just watch this. My Santa hat's a little wet. I need to take this stuff off too, because Christmas is over. I hope you guys had a good holiday, and continue holidays if you are celebrating Hanukkah and all that stuff. That's in my face. Whoa, what is this? Some danger. Some stranger danger. Oh, that was pretty abrupt and aggressive. Did it? I mean, obviously it rained, but was it like really windy? It seems like there's like a bunch of debris. It feels like early spring, man. Like this feels like early spring, and I like it. I enjoy it. I'm not going to be going too crazy today because, well, right now, because obviously the roads are wet. I left my bike outside, so the tires are not warm. The roads are not warm. That's another little tip for new riders, or just people as we're getting into, well, I guess it's still December, but just because the ambient temperature is warm does not mean that the roads are warm. It can be pretty warm like today, but have the roads themselves would be cool. And actually the roads would be even cooler if you think about it, because you see all this fog. Well, remember, energy cannot be created or destroyed, so the water on the ground is being heated up to take the water phase into a gas phase. That means that it's taking the heat with it out of the road, so the roads are probably actually colder than they typically than they normally would. I didn't know what that was at first. I thought it was a chipmunk, then I thought it was a leaf, but apparently it was a little bird. But it's nice out. I'm not sure which way I'm going to work. Oh, this is probably going to screw up the GoPro and make it all like unacceptable. But it's probably not even like picking up any audio anyways. I'm just sitting here talking to myself with a sore throat, making it worse. That's usually what That's usually what happens. But yeah, I don't know. Yeah, really disappointed in that GoPro, man. And you know, you don't want to sound like a brat or whatever, because it was a Christmas. It was a Christmas gift, and I'm very appreciative of it. It just oh, this is definitely gonna be screwing up the lens here. 17, I got time. But whenever you start getting into like heavy moto vlogging and stuff, you do need better stuff. And well, there's just one major, well, there's a bunch of major problems with the GoPro, which I don't want to talk on now because I don't want to ruin the video. I'll probably just ruin this video by wiping that off. But yeah, oh well, first world problems. I'm looking into getting a new camera, and I'm like so up in the air if I want to get another GoPro or get a DJI. I put a thing in the community tab, and I'd love to hear your opinion about it. Like if you actually owned both and you can say, hey, one is actually kind of better than the other, let me know. I mean, the only thing that kind of sucks about going to DJI is the batteries, because I do have like 7 batteries, which is very nice for when I do my long trips. I can just keep swapping them out, and I can charge them with my portable or my portable whatever charging kit, and I can keep recycling batteries like that. But with a DJI system, you have to get everything brand new. But the accessories, from what I'm reading, look like they will be the same, and they will also work. But I don't know. I mean, I've been kind of wanting to break away from GoPro for a little bit, but I mean, GoPro's not bad. That's the thing. GoPro's not bad. It's a great camera. I just don't know if maybe DJI would be better for low light, you know. And that's the thing too, because if I do get a GoPro, I'm not buying a 13. Like, I'm not buying the newest GoPro, because the thing about GoPro is a GoPro is a GoPro. I've owned a 5, a 7, an 8, a 9. I think that's it, and they're all the same, except for the 4K and the GoPro Session. If you know anything about the GoPro Session, it is this one. Ugh. I knew it was coming up. Man, what a beautiful freaking morning. I hope that this looks alright. I actually hope that it's recording, or at least the audio. So, I don't know. It's kind of what it is. We're just going to work. I still got a lot of time. I might just continue to just ride around and talk to you guys. And if I get to work and this actually did record, then I will record the 20,000 mile review, because right now I have 20,219, and yeah, look at this. Ho ho ho. It's obnoxious. It's kind of funny though. But yeah, no, I was saying something. Oh yeah, if I get to work and it's actually recorded, the audio and all that, then, you know, maybe I will go ahead and I will record the 20,000 mile review, because I've been wanting to do that video for a while, but you know, just haven't been able to. But we might be able to now, because I owe it to you. I mean, I'm trying to figure out what to talk about in that freaking vlog, because, well, you know, there's nothing different. Spoiler alert, there's nothing different. Like, so, I don't know. But it's nice out. I'm enjoying my nice scenic ride. I hope I'm not, whatever. I keep saying the same thing over and over. I'm also like not really like I shouldn't be talking because like my throat's still kind of jacked up, and I don't want to like strain it because I just want to get over being sick and move on to bigger, better things in my life or whatnot. Not being sick, that would be a nice thing. What time is it? 8:30. I'm supposed to be at work at 9, and I still got like a lot of time to kill. Man, I love it. I love it. It feels, again, it feels like the beginning part of spring, where you're at that cusp where the weather's changing. It smells like fishing. I wonder if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like, do you know what I'm talking about when I say it smells like fishing? I'm just kind of curious. Like, it's a very distinct, early spring. It smells like early spring. It smells very earthy, but the sun is warm, so it gives it a different scent to it. Ooh, that would be unfortunate. I wonder if it was kind of hard rain. I mean, it was a warm front that moved through. Warm fronts aren't typically associated with heavy rain, but I mean, if the ground was already kind of saturated and then we get into that, yeah, maybe, I guess. My this is all fogged up. I can't see, and it's fogged up on the inside. It's condensation. That's a pretty house. There's a really interesting, that's the one. That's really cool. That's a really interesting house. What gear am I in? Can't tell. I should be in 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 1st, yeah. That's what's kind of nice about this too, is because like, I mean, you always kind of know what gear you're in if you've been riding for a while, but that's like kind of like makes you know what's going on a little bit more, or it forces you. It forces you. What a beautiful freaking morning. Yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll just go to work now and accidentally go to work early so I can accidentally leave work early. Tomorrow's actually my birthday, which it doesn't really mean anything, and that's like, oh, I mean, I like to celebrate my birthday by myself, because I don't really see my birthday as a celebration, but more or less as like personal reflectance and what I did and what I accomplished in a year. So I really like to be by myself on my birthday, if I'm being honest. Like, I always kind of, you know, always been like that. I don't know, I guess my new girlfriend thinks that's weird or whatever, but I think she kind of thinks everything that I do is weird, so whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, I don't know, I guess I'll let you guys go. And you know, this probably wasn't recording audio anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I just wasted my time talking into a camera. But hey, at least, at the very least, if it didn't record audio, it hyped me up because of talking, getting all the oxygen moving and all that fun stuff. Gets my voice a little bit relaxed, you know, so I can talk shit all day. I love talking shit. It's kind of like my thing, you know. I enjoy it. Not really. I mean, I do, but I don't like talking bad about people necessarily. More or less about like businesses and, you know, other things. I don't know. You guys probably think I'm an asshole now, but you know, it's all in good fun, because I expect people to talk shit on me. Like, I hope that they do. I hope that they do. Oh, beautiful, beautiful sky too. Look at that. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and go. If you enjoyed this morning commute, ride, or whatever, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I don't know, as always, I will see you in the next one.